Last time, we survived Toad's crazy carnival. But now, Shy Guy was too much of a coward to go on his own adventure, so he designed a board for us to suffer. Welcome back to Mario Party 4. We're heading to Shy Guy's Jungle Jam. Let's do it.
Let's have some fun.
I'm ready to make this fucker cry.
Okay. Me?
I mean, I guess, yeah, sure. That's not what I meant, but... Wait, what did we do last time? Did we do 30 or 35?
30.
35.
Okay.
I think it was 30.
Oh, we did 30. We were thinking...
Did we do 30?
Well, I mean, we can do 35. Yeah, we did 30.
35 then.
Fuck it.
Spice it up. Go, Shy Guy.
I thought it was like in increments of 15.
That's I think the Nintendo 64 boards.
It's never consistent across these games.
Yeah.
Here we go. You guys ready to get stuck on the board all over again?
Yay.
Let's do this. I'm Shy Guy. I'm not bold enough to deepen the heart, so... Thank you for that story.
Oh my goodness.
Well.
Not bad.
Wow.
Ladies.
Look at this start. I guess we shouldn't have even done that test recording, because this is how it ends up.
I burned my bad luck that time.
One from last to second. Oh,
Happy adventuring.
Happy adventuring. I should show you guys the first star.
So it's all the way on the other side of the board.
That is really far.
Well, let's see how long it takes to get that.
Dear God. I should let you guys know, there's only 6 happening spaces on this entire board.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna do a quick rundown. So, main gimmick of this board are these statues with the Shy Guys. You can choose to make a fun wish or a sad wish to the Shy Guy gods. Sometimes making a sad wish is the right choice. If you make the right choice, nothing happens. If the Shy Guy gods get angry, the statue starts crying and floods the board, splitting it in half. The only way to get across otherwise is to use Klepto the Condor over here, or I think if you're Mini, you can head over and use this giraffe. Another point to note is that Boo is locked behind the old mini mushroom pipes.
Okay.
Otherwise,
I like
it's not
that.
too bad.
Okay.
Too bad.
So another boo that I won't ever get to, most likely.
It's a really pesky boo to get to.
Makes it feel more rewarding, I guess.
We'll see what you guys do. I cannot wait to see us make wishes to the statues, because the animations are really silly. For now, it's time.
Oh, well, there's Book Squirm.
Oh,
That's what we're
please.
starting with.
I warned you guys not to hit the rocks, and I immediately hit the rocks. You just mash.
Yep.
Yep, just mash A.
Do your best.
Yeah, I suck
think
at this
multiple
one.
people. Or no, sorry. Multiple people cannot win this first one across.
Yeah. I was like, hopefully people can make it to the end, but it's whoever's the fastest at the end.
Mm-hmm. Let's do it. I never react fast enough when the rocks start coming.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh no, Yoshi!
Ah, fuck, why am I so slow?
I thought I hit that. Let's go. Oh no, I thought I was peaked. Looking at
Wrong
you.
pretty
Come
fast.
on, man.
Look at Luigi.
Luigi.
His mouth.
Oh no.
Let me see.
Guys, not again.
That's not a good start.
No, not like this.
He's
Get
dead.
me across that bridge before one of you freaks mess it up.
Nice.
No.
Thank you, game.
Never mind. I claim no responsibility if I... Okay, never mind. I thought I was gonna get another
Wait, so
high.
since the star's on the left side, if we make the guy cry, And how the hell is anyone else gonna even get over there?
Mini mushroom.
Actually, the only
I
solution.
believe the river will flood up to a maximum of 3 turns. It'll flood.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not permanent.
All right, let me roll high and make it flood. Okay.
Nope. We all rolled
Thanks,
those.
Jared. That was a
We're
terrible
buddies.
turn. And for redemption.
Okay.
Oh, nice. This is mine.
Remember to
Yeah.
use Eleanor.
You're good at this one, I remember.
Or sorry, Eleanor's to move the camera. My bad.
Right.
Yeah.
Up and down are only options. I always get sniped on this one. I'm in the middle of grabbing the last dude.
Shit.
Oh my god. Open!
Oh no.
Open! Oh, that's not even a...
Let's go.
Oh,
Wait, what? Brando.
I thought it was a bomb, but it was a chain shot.
Yeah, I did that sometimes too. I just be like the black.
Dude, I just heard Brando say, "Open, open." I look up, and he doesn't have a single point.
Dude, the one board that had the chain chomp was not open. I had to waste my time even slower.
Uh-oh.
Barely. Oh no.
Uh-oh, dude.
Take a wish.
Let's have some fun.
Please be happy.
Whee!
Don't cuck
Oh,
us
God.
all out of getting the star. Nice.
Yay!
Happy.
Good job, Peach. And nothing. You don't get anything for making him happy.
Oh well,
Here we
bitch.
go round two.
Go again.
Uh-oh. I claim no responsibility. If you like Peach, you gotta like Daisy too. Yeah.
Oh no, you'd be
Oh
surprised.
no, dude. I don't feel good about this
You're a
one.
Daisy fan too, right, Try Guy? You're a fan of Daisy.
I don't feel good about this one.
She's just as cool as Steve.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. I don't want to mess you guys up. I feel bad.
Oh my gosh.
Right.
Please,
Round
no.
three.
Don't let everyone get by except for me.
Oh no, it's gonna be another
That'd be
carousel.
hilarious.
No, Star, what are you doing, you maniac? Oh no.
Please, dude. Yes.
He
Let's
likes
go,
depression.
dude.
Wow, 3 in a
Not a fan of
row.
Yoshi.
Come on, Luigi,
I'm not even.
join us,
I'm not
brother.
even gonna get there, dude.
No, brother, you gotta join us on the other side. Oh,
Alright,
God.
Daisy, it's your turn to
I
die.
have enough money anyway. Oh,
I don't think
no.
did we finish one?
No, we
This is a
didn't.
new minigame. The 3 of you need to ground pound to try and get the thing to tip over. I'm standing in the middle on a platform.
I think I remember the platform has like really weird detection
This
for
is a
falling
weird
off.
minigame.
I think isn't this one like really hard for you to win?
It can go either way. I've seen this thing barely budge, and I've seen this thing go crazy to the point where, like, I don't know how the one person can win. It's possible to tip it over. It's just...
Let's walk it on one side.
Well,
Doesn't matter. Yeah, this one isn't fair.
It's a strange one. I think I was supposed to run down sooner to weigh it down. I don't know. It's a weird one.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, for the love of God.
Two. Okay.
The only other statues are in the top right. Nice looking
Oh.
money you got there, gentlemen.
That's fine.
that is not a bad idea,
Yeah.
especially since you haven't been winning at all. Oh.
Oh, you don't even hit me.
Come on, man.
Oh, you could get a return investment.
Give me another chance.
Nope.
Hey, Yoshi.
Okay, so you're safe.
Hey, friend.
You can actually make it over here.
When I got a 1 on my first Mega Roll, I was like, am I gonna get Snake Eyes and get to the statue again?
I like how Brando just said, "Hey, friend," after Star said, "I see I have an enemy." Oh, you know what? You guys are all gonna fucking make it before me. I might as well just say,
It's still a
fucking...
decent distance away.
You could join the race.
I guess.
You'll be already catch up to us. See? The only thing is you're last to move, but...
Oh,
wow.
oh, here we go again.
No.
There'll be money belts.
This is your like least favorite.
I wasn't gonna open my mouth and jinx it. I was like, don't be tree stump. Don't be tree stump.
Wait, how do you move forward again? A and B?
I don't know.
Let's check. Let's
think
check.
it's
I didn't
A and
mean
B.
to press it so fast. I'm sorry.
I thought it was the analog, but it's not.
It is A and
Yeah.
B. And then analog to move.
Get away from me, you weirdos. Trying to harm an innocent girl. I'm gonna juke you,
Shit,
Star.
Star. Oh, we're good. I'm gonna let him juke me. No! Alright, Star, get over there, brother.
Oh no, Star's
Come
going
on,
sicko
dude.
mode. We're going sicko mode. He's a maniac.
No!
Woohoo!
Run into us, please. Please, I'm begging you.
Let's go!
Thank you.
We only had 6 seconds left.
I was so close. Okay, but I'm proud of myself. 45 seconds is ridiculous.
It is pretty crazy.
Dude. I had a few jukes in there. That's why I have to resort to being a criminal, because I can't win. I think that's one of the only mini
Oh, it is a
frustrating
mini
games in the
game.
entire board.
A mini game.
Yeah, well, I mean, Toad's Midway Madness only had one, right? Or it had two.
It had 2. It had the rocket one and then the item one. Everyone keeps landing on the same spot.
Right? We're friends.
It's so buddy-buddy.
Yeah, I knew it. I shouldn't have listened to you.
None of us have megas. Well, you can always hitch a ride with Klepto.
I should have took the gamble. Oh no, not this one, dude.
Oh boy. Remember, you guys have stamina on this one.
Oh,
The control
right.
scheme changes with
This
each
one, my
lap.
buttons weren't working, dude.
Stop pressing start.
Oh, it was
Oh,
practice.
just
I pressed practice. I pressed practice by accident. I was trying to press R to scroll the page.
So first will be
The buttons
simultaneous.
will display. It'll display over your head, so you don't have to memorize it.
That's why I shouldn't have freaked out. I'm sorry.
See, my buttons
Oh,
actually
man.
freaking work this time.
I didn't mean to start right away.
Okay, I think it is.
I get some slight lag in minigames, but it's not too much.
Oh, I didn't go all the way. Oh no.
Hello? No controller. It's not.
Oh no.
Please.
Oh no, it
Give
goes.
up for a second. Oh, I might have had a chance.
No!
That's fine.
Fuck.
Let's go! I'm the swimming champ again.
Damn it. Why do you have your freaking dress on, brother?
I saw you, Loogie.
I tried, man.
I think sometimes my button presses
some
will
pickups
delay
there.
or cut out, but other than that, it's fine. I'll manage.
Yeah, that's what was happening with me too last time we played. Especially on that one. Like whenever it's simultaneous stuff, it just wasn't working for me. Oh no.
That was a tie.
Wow.
Or Koopa Kid time.
Oh, just pretty good. Don't take stuff from all of us, please.
Balance out the items. Okay.
Oh,
Boy.
cool. Thanks, I
That's
guess.
fine.
Man,
Avi and I are going to be battling for the coin lead. Oh wow.
Oh. Oh no.
wow.
This might be just what Star needs.
Gosh.
Imagine if you said yes. Already starting, huh?
I don't think we ever played
Yep.
Trace Race last map, right? Is the one
No.
battle
That's
game we didn't play?
I think that's the last
We did
one
not.
we haven't tried.
Uh-oh.
Oh god.
Oh god. I've been having lag on the minigames, dude, not now.
I'm better at this one, so... Well, I'm probably gonna lose because I said that, but...
Guy, I blame the internet.
My only thing with the other one is that it's luck-based.
True.
Oh, oh god.
You're fine.
Oh
no,
well,
you're not fine!
You're not fine. Shoot.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No!
Rip.
Yeah.
Is everyone lagging or something?
Yep.
Hmm.
Oh
You're
well.
not, sir?
I got messed up on the minigame.
Cause you saw my character would move and then stop and then move in.
Yeah.
That's fine.
I mean, it's too bad on my end.
Like I said, it's
yeah,
probably
you
my
guys
side.
both. Yeah, you guys both are kind of going robot-y right now. Oh, there we go. Dungeon
There's a me
Duels.
and Brando on Dungeon
Wait, it might be.
Hang on, we're
Oh no, it's me and you.
No.
Okay, we can.
So
wait.
we're both gonna throw.
No, like I can't play the minigames, they freeze on one screen.
Oh shoot.
Hang on.
I'll go grab some water in the meantime.
Connect real quick.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Well, at least we'll each be throwing for our teammates.
Yeah, that's true.
True.
Look, if
Yeah, it shows the buttons whenever you're about to press
Yep,
them.
it'll display above your head for each stage.
Let's have some fun.
Alright, I apologize in advance. I'm sorry, Yoshi.
Right now.
It's working better for me now. Okay. Just keep mashing, start. And I'll do the same. We're going to be seeing this minigame again many times too, so it's not a big deal.
True.
I don't care if it is. I got scared, dude, because Change on Fever, the thing was just like freezing up for me, and then I got roasted.
Yeah, you were just standing still, dude. Did
I
not
thought I
look
could
good.
like juke it, move to the left a little, you know.
Alright, which one's Y for me? I think it's this one.
Let me jump first.
Oh,
Oh,
Go ahead, start match
Shit.
one.
that's fine.
oh no, dude, the perspective is fucking me up.
Well, okay.
That's my bad start.
There we go.
Leg for me. Go ahead. I'll stop mashing when we get close.
Who's working
we're
first?
not,
Okay.
we're not too far behind.
You can catch up, yeah.
It's starting to lag for me now.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I was like, it was lagging for me a second, so I'm glad I decided to go second.
Oh god.
Yeah, okay, there we go.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Let's go.
God.
Okay, we're good.
It's
We're
lagging.
good. Fuck.
Okay, I'm good.
Oh no!
I had it, dude. That was my bad. That was my bad. Oh no. Alright, we're good now.
Well, of course it was the last one we picked.
The last one both of us chose,
Alright,
dude.
we might get lucky here. It's luck-based, which type is correct. Bottom left start.
Oh my gosh.
Middle.
Middle?
It's just one of them start.
Come on. And you see my animation stop.
No! Come back!
Come on!
Oh,
How did I
Maggie,
do
that's
this?
the duos, baby!
They're catching up.
I don't know. Brando knows the strats. Oh, I see. Go a bit slower. Go slower, but not too slow.
Darn tootin' I do!
Got it, please.
Oh my gosh, dude.
That was the worst duos on earth. I'm so sorry, guys. My thing's been hiccuping like crazy.
No, me too. It's okay.
You did great for having a laggy partner.
Thanks for the
The
carry.
fact that it was neck and neck at the end is hilarious.
Right, I was like, I'm mashing. No. Alright, give me the star. Thank you.
I knew I should have gone this way, dude.
You should
Don't
ride Klepto.
At least
lag.
At least I could take this,
You should ride Klepto.
I was like, don't lag my analytic.
Oh, dude, if that happens to me, I will actually leave.
Yeah, I thought I was teaming up with Brando. I was like, this is gonna be the worst.
There's a net.
Oh.
Oh. Wow,
Oh.
man.
Is there a way to loop around on this place?
Yeah, I think so.
Probably.
Unless we gotta cross the bridge and go all the way back. Well, we can edit parts anyway, if I sound like
Yeah.
CPO. I don't know what happened. It had a stroke. It was like, it's too early for a battle game.
Yeah, I guess so.
We're good now. I could have done the mini thing, but I was like, yeah. I'll just take a fat red
Time for
space.
Brando's third solo 1v3.
Yeah.
I can't take anymore. Hello. It's like the memes of the people that are like, I dash, and it's like, I what? I'm stuttering. Spit it out.
Oh, yep, you can loop
Yeah,
around.
you can loop back around. Or you can go praise the god.
Yeah, take the happening base.
I don't know. Yeah, that's true. If you can't afford it, might as well.
Another sad
I feel
one.
like you'll be the one.
You could. The first set.
Oh, he's pissed.
Oh no! Oh,
How long is it gonna be flooded?
One turn.
Oh, just for 1 turn. The next 1 turns.
Well, thing happened this time.
Yes.
It is,
Oh, it's gonna be
Klepto.
2v2.
Maybe.
You're good old Luigi. You don't say. Alright, now who gets cursed with me next?
Nope, it's a
I was
1v3.
like, it could be something else.
Yep.
Is it gonna be hide and go boom again?
Um,
A new one.
This one
not
we
sure.
haven't done yet. I'm
Well, the
kind of
controls
nervous
are different
though.
for both of us.
Oh, it's this
The
one.
three of us guys,
Yeah.
we can do a triple jump, but I don't recommend it because you get, like, you get crazy airtime, but then you have no control over how you land.
Mhm.
We have to jump, it's very delayed, and then Luke has really slow controls.
Yeah, very slow.
You just gotta hop around and survive.
Especially when my analog is like this.
Oh no, let's stop bumping into each other.
Split up, guys, split up! Get that nasty airtime.
Come on.
It's over.
Oh no, Star, get out of there, brother!
If he gets momentum, it's over. I Honestly, me dying
No!
is the galaxy brain move, because now you have more room.
True.
Getting
Uh-oh,
angry.
Star. Uh-oh, Star.
Turning. 10 seconds, Star.
You got this, brother.
He's going crazy.
Come on, get out of there. Go. Oh no.
Try to
The
do-
chooks.
Nice turn.
Let's go.
Nicely
Yeah.
done.
Weird.
That was scary.